Hey folks, Dave here from Kickin Bass. So this video here is from August 3rd, 2022. It's the Socks and Cookies Kickin Bass for Troops 5th Birthday Bass Fishing Tournament. It's a 4-hour event, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. I'm launching out here at Stick Marsh, Farm 13 in Fellsmere, Florida. And I got a 2-mile trek down to the spillway. We'll catch up to you once we get down to the spillway.
Don't forget your identifier. Yeah, I think it's 550.
Alright, so I made it down to the spillway. It's a little after 5. Took me a little longer than I anticipated. I like to come down here. The water temperature is pretty warm. It's in the high 80s, and this water here, there's a channel run through here, so it's kind of deep, and that gate is open at the bottom, so water's flowing out through the bottom of this gate. And so when you got moving water, you know, usually attract some fish when it's hot out, and I'm hoping they're schooling up in here. This is my first cast. I'm throwing a Berkely Cane-Walker bone colored, the 5-inch. And let's see how we do. Alright, so right here I'm going to show you here is how I do my walk in the bait here. If you notice, the line's kind of slack there, so I'm twitching on a slack line, so then when the line gets tight, it's just a little twitch on the end of the lure, so it makes it twitch side to side as it comes. And this lure has a cupped face on the Cane-Walker, so it makes a popping noise too. And then it has rattle chambers in it, so it makes a lot of noise. And then it's got the little tail on it. Yeah. So there's a lot of action going on with that thing, which you can see as it comes across the water here. as you can see, they were schooled up around the spillway there. It did slow down a little after this one, and I switched up to a rattle trap for a little while and didn't have any luck with that. And then I switched over to a Berkely Jay-Walker 120 in the Olive Shad, and I caught a few more on that one. And this one here coming up was pretty fun. He hit right near the boat and he missed it, and I plopped it back down there, and then he missed again. You could see it fly up in the air, and then he did get it on the third strike. There, he flipped it up in the air, and then he does get it on the third one. I did hook him up, and that was a number 20 incher that sealed the deal for me. So hey folks, if there's anything you want to see in my videos or any changes you think I should make to make them a little more interesting or anything, just drop a comment down below. I'm pretty new at this, and I want to make them palatable to the people who want to watch them. So just let me know what you think, and if you think I need to do some other stuff, let me know. I've got 4 cameras now, so I'm going to have my camera stuff going pretty well, and then I'm going to start working on some audio to get some audio running really good for this. I got to learn to speak more when I fish. I grew up not talking when you fish, and my dad always yelled at us to be quiet. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like I said, hit the like button if you please, and subscribe if you so desire, and let me know what you think. Thanks a lot. We'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully, I just had back surgery, so hopefully I'll be recovered soon. Get back at it.